Ministry of Travel Affairs has asserted that the centre will consider proposals for inclusion or exclusion of a community in the scheduled tribe list only when the proposals have been recommended and justified by concerned state government and concurrent with by Registrar General of India (RGI) and National Commission for Scheduled Tribes (NCST). The response was given by Minister of State for Travel Affairs Durgadas Uike to a star question of Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam, who had sought information regarding any steps have been taken by the government to include the Meitei community in the states of Assam, Tripura and Manipur in the scheduled tribe list. Responding to the query by the MP from Manipur, Ministry of Travel Affairs maintained that modalities let down by the government need to be followed while considering a claim for inclusion in scheduled tribe list, and proposal from concerned state or union territories is a prerequisite to proceed the case further.